Welcome to number 8 in our series of conversation classes for coaching English on their Facebook page. Today, I'm very excited because we're going to talk about how we should speak on a date. And to make it a bit more fun, we're going to look at what you should say and what you shouldn't say. So, to start with, let's see what you should say.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I like your outfit. Oh, thank you.
And now, an example of what you shouldn't say. Hi there, sexy.
I beg your pardon?
You look hot.
Oh, sorry, I have to go. Emergency.
And this time, let's say how you should say about inviting someone to the restaurant.
What would you like to eat? I like Italian and Japanese, so either would be good.
Are you enjoying your meal?
Yes, it's delicious, and the wine is sublime.
And for this one, how you shouldn't do it. Can we skip the restaurant? I'm a bit broke.
Sure, I've got to be getting home anyway.
Do you always eat this much?
Are you always so charming?
And now to see how you should invite someone to the cinema.
What would you like to watch? I like thrillers and romance, so something like that would be great.
Are you enjoying the movie?
Yes, but it's a bit scary. Can you hold my hand?
And lastly, how you shouldn't invite someone to the cinema. Shall we go to my place and watch Netflix?
Don't call me, I'll call you.
Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.